A brief history of the birth of the Audi name. Audi is still expanding into a major corporation today. Audi also owns Lamborghini and Ducati. In actuality, Audi continues to make its cars in 7 different factories worldwide. The company's main office is in Ingolstadt, Germany's Bavaria. Considering these advancements, Audi vehicles continue to be the best vehicles that a select few own. Even among the many enthusiasts for Audi vehicles, there might be some who are unaware of the history behind the Audi brand or the meaning of the car's emblem. The origin of the Audi brand. The first Audi automobile was actually created in 1909 by August Horch, a German engineer with German ancestry who had previously worked for Karl Benz, the founder of Mercedes Benz. On the other hand, August Horch had been manufacturing automobiles for a long time, in fact, since the year 1901. Due to disagreements with his supervisor, August Horch founded the company Horch Automobile Werke GmbH in 1909. Unfortunately, the name Horch was already out of use due to problems with the patent previously, so the company changed its name to Audi Automobile Werke GmbH. The name of the car, Audi, comes from the son of August Horch. Just before becoming an Audi, August Horch changed his name to Horch. However, both Audi and Horch have similar artifacts, so the name Audi is mispronounced. In German, Horch is called Mendenger, and in Latin, it is also called Audi. Lambang Merek Automobile Audi. Conversely, the Audi emblem, which consists of 8 curved lines, was created by Auto Union prior to the Second World War. The 5 companies are the 8 companies that are the main drivers of the economy in Germany, namely the companies that are members of the Auto Union. Owing to its similarity to the Olympic logo, the Audi logo has previously been adopted by the International Olympic Committee. World Trademark Court eventually defeated Audi. According to Audi's motto, Presprung durch Technik, or Keunggulan melalui teknologi, the company's cars consistently improve their mobile technology, making them the most ungal vehicles on the road. No, this is a summary from Z Cars News about the introduction of the Audi brand and the design of the Audi vehicle. Alright, don't forget to subscribe and like this channel. Hopefully it will be useful.